Are you looking to buy, sell, or invest in real estate? The Gerrie Group offers world-class service to clients around the world. Call us today to set up your personal tour at 417-337-1509 or email us at gerriemooregroup.com. Custom designed home with open floor plan with thought put into every room. From the moment you step inside the inviting entry, you will notice the hardwood floors, designer cabinetry and granite counters. Master ensuite has tile shower, walk-in closet and peekaboo views of the lake. 2 other bedrooms and bath round out the first level with a sun porch for morning coffee or reading a good book on a rainy afternoon. Downstairs has 2 living areas, bedroom, bath and media room. Possibility for kitchen and in-law suite with separate entrance for the 2-family home. Oversized garage with storage room perfect for a workshop in addition to detached garage and carport nestled on over 14 acres that could be divided for the investor builder. Come for a tour, stay for a lifetime.